Hey guys, just wanted to come on here and share with you my watch list for tomorrow, October 28th, 2024. First stock symbol that I'm going to be looking at to trade tomorrow is LUV, Southwest Airlines. The reason why I'm looking at this ticker specifically is because of this weekly chart here. You'll see that the last couple of weeks, we had a couple inside weeks on the candlestick chart here, and then last week we actually broke down on that, and it's really a sign of weakness, and that we could definitely see some selling off here. Having a look at the daily chart, this is a very clear sign that we're probably going to be breaking down over the next week or two, and I'm looking at us potentially coming down to this 26 range, 24, and all the way down to like 22. I don't know if we'll reach 22, but I definitely see us coming down and testing 26 level here over the next week or two. So that's one that you could potentially short. The next one is EW. You can see on the daily here this gap down that we had a while back that we have been struggling to close, but I think this one I'm looking to short this. It's another weakness signal that I'm getting. Yeah, we had another inside month, and you can see here that we have broken this candle to the downside. So I'm going to be looking at this one, and I suspect that this is going to break down further. I can see this breaking down, coming back down to 60, potentially coming down to 56, 55, 54 range. I don't really see it going down much more than that in the short term, but I definitely see that coming over the next week or two as well. Another one here that I have is CSX. You can see this one had another gap down here a couple weeks back. Let's have a look at the monthly chart. Here you go. You had an inside month that we have broken out of, and now we're back down testing the mid-range of last month's candle. So this could potentially be a buying area for this one. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Just kind of, we're going to want to come up and close this gap at some point. This is our level right here. We're in a decent spot of support, but mainly what has me looking at this chart is the monthly. The fact that we had an inside month, and the stock has come back down and given us a buying opportunity. This can definitely head back up to like the 38-40 range over the next few weeks. And then the last one that I'm looking at is MHR. No, MHK, sorry. This one, the reason why I'm looking at this is because we had an inside month after a healthy green candle here. We broke above it, and then we had it wasn't even bad earnings, just unexpected earnings on Thursday or Friday, and we gapped down on the daily chart. You'll see this gap down, and we've closed at a really significant area of support here. I absolutely see this as a sign of an area to buy, especially looking at our RSI. RSI is way down here. We haven't been this low since October of last year. We rarely get down this low on the RSI on the daily, so I'm gonna be looking to buy here and at least cover this gap. I expect that this gap gets, to be honest, I expect that this gap gets closed this week, And if that happens, we could potentially see this monthly candle come up and close, which would be a very healthy sign that we can continue up to like the 200 range over the next month or two. But those are the 4 stocks that I'm looking at for tomorrow. Go ahead, leave me some comments if you have any other stock symbols that you want me to check out for you, and give you my thoughts. And please comment and subscribe. It really helps as I learn the ins and outs of YouTube and I start to grow and help you guys with your trading careers. So yeah, comment and subscribe.